Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have I will put about s equals to negative t. So that means we change s into negative t approach to negative infinity. So because we have negative, so we cancel the negative for the both sides. So you got about t approach to positive infinity. So we change this one into this one. About s, we change by negative t and negative t. We know that this is about the even power. So negative t with the power 2, you got about t squared. Next, we divide t on numerator and denominator. T divided by t, you got about number 1. About t, we go inside the square root and you got like this. So t squared divided by t squared, number 4 divided by t squared in here. So you got about 1 minus 4 over t squared. So we know that when t approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 4 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. So the final answer should be like this. And you got about negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.